60567.
Yeah, the PC have some correction this day.
So BTC is now 605. 605. Oh. And ETH now gone up against 4292. Okay, what's the time now? 0821.
08119.
19? Okay.
Yeah.
So this is, today is 29.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. Yeah, it's time fly. We're going to see Halloween soon. Yeah.
Oh, that is why you use that pirate. Hi, good morning, everyone. It's Friday, TGIF. So hope you guys have a good week so far. So all right, for BTC price, it actually went up to. Let me see. Okay, let's see. Oh. So for these past few days, since today is Friday, right? Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. On Tuesday, BTC price went up to like 63710, and then after that came down to yesterday. I saw it yesterday. It was like 57 or 50, 50, yeah, about 57. So now it bounced back up to 60. So hopefully this is the support level, support price. Yeah, for ETH, of course, it is doing slightly better. It's over the last few days until now, it's gone up by $200, something like that. Yeah. So hope you guys are earning and making some money. Yeah. So Mr. Richard, what do you have for us today?
Yeah. We have so many positive news, so many good news, and when we see Bitcoin, BTC running so many action and up and down, we say I forgot the word to describe.
Fluctuate. Yeah.
No, but it means that it's a lot potential when in one day Bitcoin from 61,000 go down below 60,000, and then after that the last night is hit it's go down to 57,000, and then now it's go now the current price is 60,300. Yeah. Let me share you the indicator, the trading view, and we will have more view on this. Yeah, this one you can see that.
Yes.
And then I share this. Yeah. Okay, and then we see last night is around 57, and this chart is based on the Fibonacci 4 hour, and Bitcoin got the support level at 60,000, and this also the resistance level, because on Friday a lot of that means at the is coming to the month end, and also is some of the Bitcoin option is still pending for payment, and that's why the price is have some little bit chance is changed so much around this day. And then we also can see altcoin, alternate coin, as we shared to all of you in the beginning, in the previous live stream. And after Bitcoin fly up, Bitcoin go to the correction, and after that, that is altcoin season. And now it's the altcoin season, and you all can see a lot, so many altcoin have a good move these
Yeah.
days. Yeah, and then we also have so many news, and this article today is a 3 reasons Bitcoin will rally through November. Yeah, of course it will rally through October, and now it's on October it's hit the ATH all-time highs, and now how about in November? And the first one is this happened twice before. What thing happened? Oh, in the article we see Bitcoin price have some of the it's blocked the previous all-time high in October during 2013, 2017, and 2021 months. And the circle also the same. It means that it may go past a 400 next month, 400 times next month. Yeah, let's see how. And we see this charts. Uh, this is based on some of the articles, some of the charts from the people to share to us. Oh, just now I go back and I got okay. I got this. Okay. And the next one is technical are not overvalued. Yeah, people they think we overvalue the Bitcoin price and the other, but it's not, and it's based on some of the monthly RSI. If it is below 40, um, it means the the price will go sideways. If it's above 50, and it means that it's go to uptrend, and it hover above 80 for several months. Bitcoin top as a 96 in November 2013. This information show from the past, and it has some some data to let us know that the Bitcoin it's compare the Bitcoin indicator on 2013 with this current moment is similar like that, and we know that it's the history will begin or not. It's based on all the indicator. It show the signal like that. And the third one is on-chain data is normal. Everything in the on-chain, the data on-chain, what's data of on-chain? On-chain
Yeah.
data is the yeah, Mr. Nicholas.
What is it?
Yeah, uh, this uh, this on-chain data is normal. It means people there's no well or there's no action to them or to boost the price. That's mean this signal is the third reason Bitcoin will rally through November. And let's see next in the conclusion, we see in the conclusion the confluence metric points to further price increase in Bitcoin through November. November was historical. We also can see last year
Yeah.
also
Uh,
and the
yeah.
previous year.
Last year October to November period
Yeah,
was the same case, right? It was like pretty bullish.
yeah, that's right. Also, the Lunar New Year's also similar to that,
Yeah.
and the situation currently, so many countries try to uh, instead of ban the crypto or Bitcoin, they will make the regulation. Example the India. Later I will show you the news, And we also can see some news in the market. McCubbin Dallas partner with the Bitcoin broker. This is a news information. Yeah, crypto trading broker via digital has struck a sponsorship deal with McCubbin NBA franchise, the Dallas
Yeah,
Maverick.
the Dallas Mavericks,
Yeah,
NBA team,
yeah,
one of the basketball team in NBA league.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then we think we see the another good news. Weibo CEO suggests Bitcoin has no real fundamentals. As BTC briefly got below 60,000. Yeah, this news is just a few hours ago, 5 hours ago, after it's hit around 57. But it's look like the first news, right? And
Mm.
we see crypto regulators instead ban in India by February 2022. Yeah,
Is
certainly.
crypto regulations. So instead of banning, they introduce crypto regulations.
Yeah, that's right. As I know, a lot of Indian trade Bitcoin, use Bitcoin. Indian also the second high population in the world. And then we all can see the India's U-turn. Yeah, instead of banning crypto, now they have a plan. Yeah, to realize this, they are listening to the expert. You know why? Because India see El Salvador and the other country follow up, do something about the crypto because previously they banned crypto and now they say that they will have the regulation in crypto by February 2022. Yeah, it's a good signal, and we see some of the little reason why Bitcoin have a little correction is because um, SEC may deny Vanguard's leverage Bitcoin future. You know why? Because they have the very high risk leverage. It's 1.25%. That's why it has been denied 1.25 leverage, so that is denied by SEC. Yeah, because it's so high risk, and they may to adjust, they may to do again, and Vanguard is also one of the company they submit for the ETF so many times. Yeah,
Mm.
and now it's a time for them. They intend to launch on November, and it should be
So
not
this
that.
guy, this Valkyrie, what they are being
ETC.
blocked from SEC,
Yeah,
blocked by SEC.
yeah, because next week there's a process have
Yeah.
has launched the first Bitcoin ETF in America, and now uh,
Mm.
it's a turn. Maybe it's a turn for Vanguard and the other company. Also, Scale BTC also submit the document for this. And now let's see how's about the document for the Bitcoin ETF. But some of the analysis they say that with Bitcoin ETF is a double edged sword. So we also need to be careful about this.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
So in
yeah,
case, just a little bit of information. In case our listeners are thinking what is leverage and unleveraged ETF. So Google is telling us, I'm not quite sure how true it is. Maybe I should search for another information out there. But of course, uh, here's from Investopedia. They explain a lot of financial terms and all this. So a leveraged ETF is a marketable security that uses the financial derivatives and that to amplify the returns of the underlying index, uh, while traditional exchange traded fund, traditional ETF, tracks the security in its underlying index on a one-to-one basis. So leverage for leverage is like, okay, the ratio is 2-1 or 3-1. So for the traditional non-leverage one, it's just 1-1. So that is the difference. So for the listeners out there who are thinking, why are they talking about this leverage and unleveraged? So this is the reason, because the leverage one, they carry a high risk because the ratio is 2-1 or 3-1, while the non-leverage is just 1-1. So of course the risk is higher. So of course those people up there in SEC, they're thinking, wow, this leverage ETFs on crypto carry a higher risk. They don't want unnecessary exposure. But well, let's look at what their progress are in future. Yeah, hopefully. Okay, this is the SEC and their side of things. So of course we hope over here in Asia there will be something good, something good for people to invest. Yeah, besides investing in Bitcoin themselves, uh, if there are such thing as ETFs over here in Asia, I think that'll be an awesome thing. Yeah, I believe there are. It's just that we should go and find out some of the information. Yeah, back to you, Richard. Maybe you can continue on this article.
Okay, next after the SEC information, we hear that during the Bitcoin had the correction after it's fallen below 60,000, and now is we hear the El Salvador president he buy more he buy
Yeah,
around
buy more.
40. Yeah,
Bitcoin is going up, so you should buy
yeah.
more, have more.
By at least I got the news yesterday. Also, it said that he buy Bitcoin when it's at least, yeah, and then after that we here's some of the charts. What chart is Bitcoin bullish information? Let me check. Ah, information why Bitcoin must low above 64,000 in the coming days. Yeah, the article 6 hours ago. Yeah, let's see how. And there's a Bitcoin daily charts. Bitcoin daily charts is from the article. It's shared to us now. The current price around 61,000, 60,800 to 61,000, and have the two scenario like the screen I show. Yeah, and it's also based on the Fibonacci. I also usually use uh, this base. Okay, let me refresh this. I share to you some Fibonacci to see how's the price. Uh, Here I zoom in for hours. Okay, it look like we see first ago. Oh, is I applied the retracement child retracement. With the Fibonacci retracement, we can expect, yeah, the support level is 59,000, and we expect it can rally above 64,000. Of course, it can, it's half the target is hit to the 67,000 with the flower chart. with the 1-day chart. Let me check the 1-day chart. The 1-day chart is also gonna see 3-hour chart. Yeah, with the 3-hour chart, we see different 32, 67, so 67,000. Yeah, that's information. But now we see the volume sell the Bitcoin around 60,000 is also like this. And with the lean one, the lean volume, we see a whale is buying more when the price at dip. Yeah, it's is is a signal indicator we should, and we also can focus on some the other news in crypto, in politics, in some country. The Biden's 1.85 trillion spending bill would help avoid capital gain tax on the crypto hodler. Yeah, because now currently, uh, I see the news in with the U.S. Market and in the U.S. government, they 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 will delay to approve for the debt ceiling, but they will extend. They keep printing money to maintain the government until December 3rd. Yeah, that's the thing. That's new. Look like the postpone delay from the
Money
government.
is money is never enough for them to print.
Yeah, yeah, that's right. The money is not enough. Like the Zambo movie, the world is not enough. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So James Bond has this. The world is not enough. Singapore has this. Money not enough. I think they should adopt Singapore movie title now. Yeah, the fact that they have been printing so much, a lot of a lot of businesses or a lot of high net worth individuals, they are basically trying to uh, probably hold less of this US dollar, because after some time a lot of financial quote unquote experts, they are expecting the US dollar to devalue. So because the printing is so, the figure of the number of or rather the amount of US dollar that is being new US dollar that's being printed is so much to a point that uh, a lot of all these financial experts, they are all investors, they are basically putting more of their funds elsewhere, and put not just putting elsewhere, but they also they are also exploring new uh, investment opportunities. And for people who have never considered cryptocurrency, they are re-looking cryptocurrency. They are taking this opportunity to, like, wow, we have this so much money there, so we should look into and explore digital currency, cryptocurrency, and see how this uh, digital and cryptocurrency can help to hedge our asset, to hedge the what we have for the future. Because at the end of the day, the future is still a long way ahead for a lot of people. Maybe some of them, they are now 40 plus, 50 plus, or even 60 plus years old in age. So by that, it means they still have another 30, 40, 50 years to live. So in the 20, 30, 40, or even 50 years ahead, many things can happen. It's very much like 1920, 30s. The Great Depression just come in just like that. Within 10 years, everything is being wiped out for a lot of people. So to prevent that from happening to themselves or to ourselves, you and I,
Yeah,
we explore various investment opportunities to help ourselves for the future. Yeah, protect ourselves, protect our assets rather.
Yeah, that's right. And we also can find some nice new Visa and
Yeah,
Mastercard
yeah, yeah. I
in
saw that
there.
earlier.
Yeah, no, this is 4 hours ago. The news is
Yeah, this
in
like what Visa Master. They are where is that one that I was looking at? Yeah,
they're
maybe you can
planning
tell us.
uh, because
Oh yeah, Master.
Mastercard
Okay,
prepare.
the the article that I was looking at is this week U.S. official looking at how banks hold crypto and
Yeah,
Mastercard announced new crypto partnership. I think on this website called time.com. Yeah.
yeah,
So basically, it's about the new Bitcoin linked fund that debuted in New York Stock Exchange (NYSE) on
yeah,
Tuesday morning, 3 days ago or 2 days
yeah,
ago.
that's right.
Yeah.
Two days
So
ago.
yeah, by that it's bringing crypto one step closer to conventional investment accounts like in you NYSE is like the biggest stock exchange in the world, so to speak, by volume.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
so they have like what every year they have like 20 trillion rolling. Yeah, they are rolling 20 trillion every year, something like that,
Yeah,
or even more than that. Yeah, so for a stock exchange this huge, this big, and this with such massive scale, they are bringing crypto together. Yeah,
yeah, that's right.
in essence, they are helping their investors, they are helping their account holders to get more exposure to crypto. So, uh, of course, over here, the chairwoman of Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation said that the U.S. officials are looking to provide guidance on how banks and their clients can hold cryptocurrencies.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's right.
so uh, on one side you have the media telling the world, oh, US banning crypto, la la la, la etc. And now you have this NYSC people telling, and this FDIC people telling people, oh, the officials, those people who are friends with those who has been telling the world that they ban crypto, they ban Bitcoin. Now they are wanting to guide bank, wanting to provide guidance on basically provide guidance on how these banks and their clients can hold crypto. Yeah, so that's a good step forward. Yeah, so I wonder if China is doing the same thing, but yeah, perhaps they are copying somebody. Yeah, but nevertheless, it's a good signal for the blockchain and crypto community. It means something is moving, something's moving to somewhere. Yeah, rather than ban Bitcoin, everything is no longer the talk on the table. Yeah, so yeah, so that's pretty much about what is going on for this portion of the crypto news.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's some of the information about the R hole using the realized hole ratio indicator. This tool, the people nowadays they use the R hole, the price of Bitcoin. This is one of the indicator. Let me share to you here. Uh, R hole equal this formula of this one, and we can indicate the price of Bitcoin, the top, and if when we using this the price, they say that they says that after the new 500k price prediction, I also don't know is the indicator is correct or not. So let's hope for the crypto market because people using indicator and they own the price, the value of own crypto asset is based on the people they can think and they do. If you do more research about the invisible hand, this market managed by the invisible hand. Yeah, okay, and I think we also share information to everyone, and now I add, and now I think it's also time for us to say goodbye to our audience. If you have any question, please let us know. We also have some discussion, some news. Oh, we forgot. Facebook have changed the name to the Meta because
Huh?
yeah,
Why Facebook changed name?
that means they changed the brand name.
Or they are changing the company name, but are they
Yeah,
changing the Facebook.com name?
no, not change
So
Facebook.com.
they're just changing the company name. That is
Yeah, yeah, they changed
or
to Meta,
Metaverse. What is
the
what is
Metaverse.
Metaverse? Is Metaverse the this fighter plane is flying here?
Yeah,
Yeah. So they're changing this Metaverse to the name Meta.
yeah.
Okay.
And Facebook now they aim into the game, vision, future, social media, work and play online. It's like the similar thing I shared to you previously about in the future no more the Facebook like today, but it will be like you are in the game, you share all these things. It look like one of the game I had I usually play like the Decentraland or the other blockchain game. We also can share our NFT and chit chat in the game. People can buy your NFT, buy your product online, use the cryptocurrency and the other currency. Yeah. Now Facebook, uh, maybe they go this way to attract more and more youth to
Yeah.
go to the community and try to roll up together. Yeah. And I think it's time for us to complete the live stream this morning. And if you have any question, please let us know. Yeah. And we will have the next live stream next week. And you also can comment, let us know what topic you like us to share, and we can discuss. Yeah. And hope you all have a nice weekend. Uh, and this weekend is Halloween, and hope you all have a nice Halloween.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And then, all right, I give the word to Mr. Nicholas.
All right. So thank you all for joining us. So hope you guys have a good weekend. Of course, do click like and subscribe and share our videos with friends. So well, have a good weekend with investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and any other altcoins that you
All
may be
right, yeah,
investing. Yeah.
yeah,
So basically, uh, of course, do read up on information available out in market, out in media, and especially read those that are from real experts, not any media that just keep writing articles. Yeah,
yeah. So,
right.
yeah.
Have a good weekend.